Once in a busy town, there lived a skilled watchmaker named Arun. His shop was small, but people from many places came to him because he could fix any clock or watch. Broken watches, stopped clocks, old machines, he repaired them all. One day, a rich businessman brought a large wall clock to Arun's shop. "This clock stops every week," the man said. "Fix it properly. I don't want problems again." Arun examined the clock carefully. He worked for many hours. He cleaned every part, replaced the broken spring, and fixed the inside gears perfectly. When he finished, the clock worked like new. It ticked smoothly and never stopped again. The businessman was happy. He paid Arun and went home. Weeks passed, then months. The clock never stopped. It worked perfectly, but something strange happened. The businessman stopped visiting Arun's shop. He no longer needed repairs. Slowly, he forgot about the watchmaker who had helped him. One day, the businessman hired a new technician named Ravi to check all the clocks in his house. Ravi looked at the wall clock and thought quietly, "If everything works perfectly, I won't be needed," he said to himself. So Ravi adjusted the clock slightly. Not enough to break it completely, but enough to make it lose time every few days. The clock began slowing down just a little. The businessman noticed and called Ravi again. Ravi came quickly. He fixed it in minutes. "Don't worry," he said confidently. "I'll keep an eye on it." Soon the businessman began depending on Ravi. Every week, Ravi returned. Every week, he made small fixes. The clock never worked perfectly again, but it never failed completely either. Ravi was always needed. He was always paid. He became important in the businessman's house. Meanwhile, Arun the watchmaker continued working honestly in his small shop. He fixed things completely, so customers rarely returned. His work removed problems instead of managing them. Because of this, some people forgot about him. One evening, the businessman visited Arun's shop by chance. "My clock keeps having small issues," he said. "Can you check it?" Arun opened the clock and looked inside. After a moment, he understood everything. "This clock was repaired perfectly once," he said calmly. "Someone has been keeping it slightly broken." The businessman was shocked. Why would anyone do that? He asked. Arun closed the clock gently. "Because if the problem disappears, the helper may also disappear," he said. The businessman went home and thought deeply. He realized he had trusted the person who kept the problem alive instead of the one who solved it honestly. From that day, he changed. He valued people who fixed things completely, even if they became unnecessary afterward, and he learned a difficult lesson. Sometimes the most honest workers become invisible because they remove problems fully. And sometimes the clever ones stay important because they never let problems truly end. So remember, be someone who solves problems with honesty, and be wise enough to recognize true helpers when you find them.